Welcome to Reboot. Today in this video, we're going to talk about R. Launched in 1993, R has made an immense journey and is one of the most popular software in today's time. But what is the secret behind the growth of R? What makes R so special? What are the scope of R? And why should anyone learn R in 2024? Today in this video, we are going to explore all the features of R and try to find answer to all this question. R is a interpreted programming language. But what does interpreted actually mean? There are two types of software, compiled and interpreted. Compiled programs are those which scans the whole program and produces the output. Whereas the interpreted programs are those which scans the program line by line. R is an open source programming language. It is mostly designed for statistical and data analysis purposes. R was created by Ross and Reboot in 1993. Before R, there was another popular data analysis software called S. S was a commercial purpose data analysis software. It was mostly popular in the mid-70s. R is actually inspired from the S, but R is an open source software and is available to all the general public. Unlike R, there are other data analysis software like Python, Excel, MATLAB and many more. But despite being a free software, R is still one of the most popular and widely used software for data analysis and graphics. Let's find out why R is so popular. Statistical analysis. R contains powerful statistical analysis tool which facilitates huge data storage. Data visualization. R is highly flexible and can create high quality plots and graphs. Open source. R is an open source software, which means anyone across the world can easily get access to R. This makes distribution of R in global level, making a huge community from all around the world. Community resources. R has a large community. Anyone who wants to learn R can easily get access to all the resources and tutorials to learn the R. Trend provides a repository for R which contains more than 50,000 packages which are freely accessible for all the users. Integration. R can be easily integrated with any other programming languages. This makes R highly compatible, increasing the workflow of R. Although there are paid and commercial data analysis tools in the market, many people and business organizations still prefer R above the others. Okay, now let's talk about why should anyone learn R in 2024? Whenever we think about learning something, there is always the question, what is the demand of it in the market? And what kind of opportunities will you get after learning it? So, talking about the R is one of the most popular and powerful data analysis tools in today's time. In 2024, data are no longer limited in the papers and documents. Now, using this large set of data, the organization needs some experts who can do analysis of this data and find out the desired result. The benefit of learning R comes with a huge opportunity because there is high demand of R analysts in every sector. No matter the field, whether it is research or academic purpose, public health, business organization, commercial purpose, economic growth, or even the government sector, there is huge demand of data analysts everywhere. Therefore, if you want to excel your profile in this competitive world, learning R can be a better option. So, in the next video, we'll be talking about how to download and install R and R Studio in a computer. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you again